I'm Michael Gurfinkel, and this is U.S. Immigration TV. And don't forget at the end to like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to address a common misconception among people, especially Filipinos. And that is, if they are already in the U.S., and let's say they are still married, but they meet an American, they think that they still need to get an annulment back in the Philippines. That is incorrect. You do not need a Philippine annulment in order to get married in the U.S. And let me go back and explain. Don't jump. Listen to the whole video. You can get divorced in the U.S. as opposed to annulled in the Philippines under U.S. immigration law. So let's say there's a situation where somebody is in the U.S. and their marriage has just fallen apart. There's no more love. Perhaps the spouse in their home country is already living with somebody else. The marriage is over. And they meet an American citizen. In order to marry the American, they have to terminate their existing marriage. That's very important. Now, you can terminate a marriage either through annulment, divorce, or a person can be widowed or a widower. Obviously, if they're in the U.S. and let's say they're out of status, they cannot go back to their home country for an annulment. Under U.S. immigration law, if a marriage is terminated in accordance with the law where that took place, it is recognized. So if a person is in the U.S. and they get a valid, lawful divorce, they are now considered unmarried, and it could be lawful for them to be married to the American and possibly be petitioned by that American. And of course, make sure the divorce is in accordance with the law. You know, for example, if somebody is residing in California, they may not necessarily be eligible for a quick Las Vegas divorce. They would have to get divorced in California. But it is something to think about for those of you who thought that the only way that they can terminate an existing marriage is to go back and get it annulled. No. You can get a divorce in the U.S. It is valid. It is recognized. If this situation applies to you, I would strongly recommend that you consult with an attorney who can evaluate your situation, look to make sure that you are eligible for the various immigration benefits and guide you along the way. This is not something you should be necessarily doing yourself. And of course you can do it yourself, just like you can perform surgery. But I think that with something as important as your future in America and your immigration, it is greatly beneficial to you. It greatly increases the chances of success to have an attorney help you. It doesn't guarantee success because attorneys cannot guarantee success, but it is something you should definitely consult with an attorney over if it applies to you. If you like this video, and I hope you do, because what I'm trying to do is keep people informed, instruct them, give them tips about immigrating or legalizing their status. If you like this video and my other videos, please like, share, and click that red box and subscribe. I'm Michael Gurfinkel, and this is U.S. Immigration TV.